Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials: warm engine, stable stand, battery at normal voltage, then remove the airbox. Once done, locate the throttle body and the physical idle stop screw. This is your immediate control point. Make a small baseline note of current screw position using tape so you can return. Next, check throttle cable slack and free play. If cable drags, it will raise RPM. If you have the diagnostic tool, connect it now to monitor RPM and TPS readings. Now perform controlled adjustments. Turn the idle screw in quarter turns and immediately recheck RPM. Small changes matter. Simultaneously verify TPS values with the diagnostic interface. A misset TPS will make the ECU add fuel and keep RPM high. Once the screw brings RPM near target, run the TPS calibration routine from the tool so the ECU recognizes true closed throttle position. Make sure to let the engine settle between changes, and finish by reinstalling the airbox and doing a warm test ride. You want RPM stable both at idle and under light load. If RPM still high, inspect for vacuum leaks, a sticky throttle plate, or clutch drag. Each keeps revs elevated. One quick troubleshooting tip: if adjustments don't hold, reconnect the diagnostic tool and watch live RPM/TPS while you lightly snap the throttle. Inconsistent readings point to wiring, sensor, or ECU issues. If problems persist, seek dealer service for ECU reflash or part replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.